Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for anyone dealing with kidney disease: nutrition. It plays a crucial role in managing this condition, and knowing which foods to avoid is just as important as knowing which ones to eat. We'll be discussing the top 10 foods you should avoid to help manage your condition better. Remember, every individual is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that suits your specific needs. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always talk to your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet. Let's kick off our list with processed meats. We're talking about those delicious but often unhealthy culprits like bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats. I know, they're tempting. But here's why they're a problem for your kidneys. Processed meats are typically loaded with sodium, often used as a preservative. High sodium intake can wreak havoc on your kidneys by increasing your blood pressure, putting extra strain on those hard-working organs. And if that wasn't enough, processed meats are also high in protein, which can be problematic for those with kidney disease. When your kidneys aren't functioning optimally, they have a harder time filtering out waste products from protein breakdown. So, limiting or even eliminating processed meats from your diet can go a long way in protecting your kidneys. Opt for fresh, lean protein sources instead. Think grilled chicken, fish, or even plant-based options like lentils and tofu. Next up, we're tackling canned foods. Now, I'm not saying all canned goods are bad, but many are hiding a secret ingredient that's bad news for your kidneys: sodium. Just like processed meats, many canned foods rely on sodium as a preservative to extend their shelf life. And you guessed it. Too much sodium means trouble for your kidneys. Think about those canned soups, veggies, and beans that are staples in many pantries. While convenient, they can often be swimming in sodium. And let's not forget about canned sauces like tomato sauce, which can also be surprisingly high in sodium. The good news is, there are ways to enjoy canned goods without overdoing the sodium. Look for low sodium or no salt added varieties, and be sure to rinse canned beans and veggies thoroughly under running water to wash away some of the excess sodium. Let's be honest, most of us know that sugary drinks like soda aren't exactly health foods. But did you know they can be particularly harmful to your kidneys? Sodas, especially those dark cola varieties, often contain phosphorus additives that can spell trouble for your kidneys. When your kidneys aren't working their best, they can have a hard time keeping phosphorus levels in check. High phosphorus levels can lead to a whole cascade of problems, including weakened bones, an increased risk of heart disease, and even further kidney damage. So, it's best to steer clear of these sugary culprits. Instead of reaching for a soda, quench your thirst with healthier alternatives. Water is always the best choice, but you can also opt for unsweetened tea, sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice, or even homemade infused water with slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint. Avocados, the beloved fruit, yes, fruit, known for its creamy texture and healthy fats, might seem like a surprising addition to this list. But here's the thing. Avocados are very high in potassium. Now, potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including regulating blood pressure. However, when your kidneys aren't functioning optimally, they can have difficulty removing excess potassium from your blood. This can lead to a condition called hyperkalemia, or high potassium levels, which can be dangerous. Symptoms of hyperkalemia can include muscle weakness, fatigue, and even heart rhythm problems. If you have kidney disease and love avocados, don't despair. You might not have to give them up entirely. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about how much potassium is safe for you to consume and whether you can enjoy avocados in moderation. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this one might come as a surprise. Whole wheat bread, often touted as a healthier choice over its white bread counterpart, can actually be problematic for those with kidney disease. While whole wheat bread is a good source of fiber, it's also higher in phosphorus and potassium compared to white bread. As we've discussed, these minerals can be difficult for damaged kidneys to process. Now, this doesn't mean you have to swear off whole grains entirely. There are other options like refined grains that are lower in phosphorus and potassium. Just be mindful of your intake and choose your bread wisely. When in doubt, always check the nutrition label and look for bread with lower phosphorus and potassium content. And remember, moderation is key. Brown rice, another health food hero, joins our list of foods to approach with caution if you have kidney disease. Like whole wheat bread, brown rice is a nutritious grain, but it also contains higher levels of potassium and phosphorus compared to its refined counterpart, white rice. For most people, this isn't a problem. But for those with kidney disease, these minerals can accumulate in the blood and cause complications. This doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to brown rice forever. If you enjoy brown rice, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about how much is safe for you to consume. They can help you determine the right portion sizes and frequency to fit your individual needs. Remember, it's all about finding a balance and choosing foods that support your overall health and well-being. Bananas, those portable and convenient fruits, are known for being a good source of potassium. However, for individuals with kidney disease, that high potassium content can be a cause for concern. As we've discussed, potassium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in many bodily functions. However, when your kidneys aren't functioning at their best, they may struggle to remove excess potassium from your blood. This can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by elevated potassium levels, which can be dangerous. Symptoms of hyperkalemia can range from muscle weakness and fatigue to more serious complications like heart rhythm problems. If you have kidney disease and enjoy bananas, don't worry, you might not have to give them up entirely. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about how much potassium is safe for you to consume and whether you can incorporate bananas into your diet in moderation. Dairy products, while often touted for their calcium content, can pose a triple threat to those with kidney disease. They're high in phosphorus, potassium, and protein, all of which can be taxing on compromised kidneys. Let's break it down. High phosphorus levels can lead to a host of problems, including weakened bones, an increased risk of heart disease, and further kidney damage. As we've discussed, excess potassium can be dangerous for those with kidney disease, potentially leading to hyperkalemia and its associated complications. And finally, while protein is essential for a healthy body, too much protein can put extra stress on the kidneys, especially when they're not functioning optimally. If you have kidney disease, it's essential to be mindful of your dairy intake. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about how much dairy is safe for you to consume and explore alternatives like plant-based milk alternatives. Oranges and their tangy juice are known for being excellent sources of vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a vital role in immune function and overall health. However, for individuals with kidney disease, the high potassium content in oranges and orange juice can be a concern. As we've discussed throughout this video, potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate many bodily functions. However, when your kidneys aren't working their best, they may have difficulty removing excess potassium from your blood. This can lead to hyperkalemia or high potassium levels, which can be dangerous. Symptoms of hyperkalemia can include muscle weakness, fatigue, and even heart rhythm problems. If you have kidney disease and enjoy oranges or orange juice, don't despair. You might not have to eliminate them from your diet entirely. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about how much potassium is safe for you to consume and whether you can enjoy oranges or orange juice in moderation. Pickles and olives, those tangy and salty treats, might seem harmless, but they can be surprisingly high in sodium. And as we've discussed, sodium is public enemy number one for those with kidney disease. Sodium loves to hold on to water, and when there's too much sodium in your system, it can increase your blood pressure. High blood pressure puts extra strain on your kidneys, making them work harder to filter your blood. Over time, this constant strain can damage your kidneys and lead to further complications. So if you're watching your kidney health, it's best to limit your intake of salty snacks like pickles and olives. Look for low sodium or no salt added varieties, or opt for healthier snack alternatives like fresh fruits, vegetables, or unsalted nuts and seeds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. We're here to support you on your journey to better health. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. They can help you create a dietary plan that's tailored to your specific needs and health conditions. Taking care of your kidneys is crucial for overall well-being. By making informed choices about the foods you eat, you can help protect your kidneys and live a healthier life. See you next time.